Our mission statement is to raise consciousness and funds to fight the injustice of child trafficking with our generation. We're holding social fundraising events in major U.S. cities and quarterly in New York to raise awareness of this injustice. Well, in the course of a couple of months, we've had 4 events in Washington, D.C., New York City, a college in New Jersey for Dancing with the Stars, and now we're here at Fashion Gives Back. We're very excited for this event. We're expecting a great turnout, press, and just raising consciousness of this injustice to let people know this goes on right here in our backyard and not just abroad.
Child trafficking is a billion-dollar business. They sexually exploit children as sales items. Where drugs are being sold, children are being sold. It victimizes 300,000 children in the United States of America, 10,000 children in the U.S. No child is safe until this crime is done. There's a famous song by Five for Fighting called World, and they use the lyrics, "History starts now." So we were all inspired by that, myself and the team, and basically it means from this point forward, everyone has the opportunity to make history. Tonight, we hope everyone leaves here having a good understanding of what child trafficking is, and that they walk away inspired to join the cause.
History starts now with you and me. From co-founders Christina Lee Grandstaff
And Rachel Lecklider.
Visit our website www.historystartsnow.info.